Hello everybody, my name is Serap. First, I would like to thank Mr. Murtaza Kalender and John Bruno for this beautiful organization and giving me a chance on this precious stage to present to Inada and our hotel. Now I'm going to show you a video of Inada, but before the video, I have to tell there are many outdoor natural activities possible in the region, and our property, our new luxury lifestyle boutique hotel will be opened in December. Let's start. Nature itself tells the fairy tale of Inada. It's a living proof of what nature has to offer when left unshaded. Logos is the result of a resentful and peaceful relationship of beautiful lakes and streams with the Black Sea. This relationship is so strong that we encounter Europe's largest Logos forest. winter comes, Longos appears this time with its poetic side. The beauty offered by Longos is carried to speechless dimension. The sun, appearing after the rain, turns Longos into a crystal forest. These wise guests are then chased by sun and Longos forest a new cycle and with a magnificent finale. Ina, the Longos Forest National Park, awaits us throughout the year to tell many tales which end with and they lived happily ever after. In order to realize how lucky we are to have this beauty and to be the hero of our own fairy tales. Strongly suggest not to leave this invitation of nature unanswered. Thank you for your patience.